Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come you back when the summer's in the meadow, or when the vale is hushed and white with snow. And I'll be in the sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. But if he come and all the roses dying and I am dead, as dead I well may be, you'll come and find a place where I am lying and kneel and say an hour there for me. And I shall feel oh soft your tread above me, and then my grave will richer, sweeter be, for you will beg and tell me that you love me. I shall rest in peace until you come to me. Danny boy, oh Danny boy, I love you so.